Hello everyone, I'm Gauri Ankare, a student at MIT ADT University, and today we're going to talk about placements. Let's talk about placement percentage. 100%, that's just marketing. Realistically speaking, 40 to 60% students do get some kind of work within 6 to 12 months. Immediate placement, that's a little bit low, about 1 to 2% students. Okay, let's talk about packages. Well, there is no fixed salary structure. This is more of a gig economy thing. People start with unpaid or low paying gigs that ranges for 3k to 5k. And if you directly land into some OTT or TV ads, then you might get around 50k. And middle income ranges from a spectrum of 10k to 30k. And to come to branch reality, well, there are no branches per se, but then specialization does matter. You can specialize in either acting, directing, camera, and etc. Let me tell you about role playing. Well, it's not that glamorous. You expect something like background work, crowd acting, YouTube gigs, etc. And if you actually do work in an OTT or a movie, it's extremely competitive and it is not based on some college tag. It's solely based on auditions. And what happens to unplaced students? Well, no sugarcoating, but there is no such thing as guaranteed placement cell over here. You're on your own kids kind of thing. But you can refer to faculty references and alumni network for support, but your hustle is what truly matters. And to talk about internships, well, there is no such thing as internships in this stream, but you get good gigs related to social media and that pays you a ton. Okay, now let's get to the main thing, ROI. It's a very high risk, high reward thing. If you make it, it's well and good. The initial phase, it lies on a spectrum of 3 lakh to 12 lakh for the entire course, and early income ranges from 1 lakh to 3 lakhs, but it does get increased. And to talk about competition level, well, competition, that's everywhere. Ultimately, your skills and your hustle will get you a good job wherever you want. But to be very honest, you are actually competing with a lot of people in this field, Mumbai strugglers, early starters. But in this college, the faculty promotes competition in a very healthy way, which is going to give you a lot good. To conclude, MIT ADT is a great place for this degree. The inter-school competition, intra-college competitions, and the faculty over here are amazing to foster your passion and your creativity. But you do need to consider a lot of things about your career path if you are getting here. Thank you so much.